Hello teacher, my name is Oscar Luis Arazua Munoz and I'm going to present the basic commands for Linux. In this case we are going to work with Ubuntu. The basically command, the first basically command that we are going to see is man. Learn more about commands. The man command should be at the top of the entire list of important Linux commands. The reason is very simple. Just run it to load a main page about the system commands with definitions not only of the use of each tool, but also detailed description of the numerous software parameters and examples of use. This is an example of a man command. In this case is only the ls command. In the page they show you the name, the synopsis, the description, and how it works the command. Then we have ls, like the another example, ls files list. To list existing files in any directory, just use the ls command. If it is run without parameters, the contents of the directory you are in will be displayed. But you can specify a path for ls, like ls usr bin, for example. You can also use the ls command to see the size and creation date of each file or folder. To do this, use the lh parameter as in the following example, ls and lh. This is an example of the ls command. The commands show you the direction of your directories, like desktop, downloads, music, documents, etc. Then we have cd command, the navigate the file system. To go from folder to folder, you don't need to open the file manager. In the terminal itself, it is possible to navigate the file system using the cd command, followed by the path you want to follow. For example, in this example, the documents directory is used, and it's going for gigs 4 gigs example, and that is the direction that you want to go in this example. Then we have cp command, the copy files and folders. Copying a file from the terminal is also easy. Use the cp command followed by the source file and the destination, which can be either a new folder or a new file with a different name, like the example that is showing the screen. Next we have mv, the move files and folders. To move files, there is mv command that can be used both to transfer files and to rename them. If you want to send the file from one folder to another, just follow the example mv folder 1 slash file 1 folder 2 slash, like the example. We use first the ls command to see the downloads directory. Then we use mv to move this file to desktop. Then we use cd to go to desktop to see the new direction that we put in this new file. Then we have command more, read text and files. In case you need to read the content of a test file, use the more command followed by the path and the file name, as in more /home/user/ file.txt point. The entire context of the file will be displayed in the terminal, filling the screen with the text. To continue reading, press the spacebar and, in case you need to go back one or more pages, use the V key. If you want to exit before the end of the file, press Q. Then we have an example. In this case, you use more /var/log/under to see what it happens in this direction. We have all the actions, the path, the other processes that we have. Then we have df, check disk space. Do you want to know what is the total space and how many gigabytes available are in each partition of the system? Use the command df/h. The H option, by the way, means human readable. That is human readable. If you not use the H command, the information it only be bits and other information that you are not going to understand. So in the example, we have the directories and the documents that it has in the system, and we know how many size is in download in the system of, in case Linux, how many space are used and how many space are available. Then we have sudo, the special permissions command. The sudo command, which temporarily guarantees root user credentials using password information. To do the exam, try running the ls/root command. You will receive a notice of permission denied. Then run sudo ls/root. After entering your own user password, the command runs normally and the files in the root folder are displayed in the terminal without any problems. Like this, for example. If you don't use this command, the system always gives you an error and you cannot see any information in your screen. Then we have the grep command, the text search. Imagine the following situation. You have a text file with about 200 names of students from a certain school, but you are not sure if the name of a specific student is in the list. The grep command helps you to find that student and do a lot more with the help of regular expressions. Just execute the grep command student name file.txt for the terminal to search for the name that appears within relationship, like this. For example, in this case, the grep is used to see Solvetic in that direction. In this case, we have 3 Solvetic files that is in in this direction, bin bash. Then we have the clear command. The clear command clears the buffer. Finally, a command that helps organize a bit of the confusion of letters found in the terminal after hours of use. To clear the entire buffer, run the clear command. Afterwards, you just have to use the terminal again normally, as if nothing had happened. In this example, we already are using all the information of the command line, and we have to clear it because there is no many space in the screen. I will have to clear to see more clearly. Then it's all for this day. Thank you for your attention.